Hello students, this is class 7, first lesson, when, where and how, the medieval history portion. Our India, what is history? History is study of our past. Last year our history course is ancient history. Now 7th class our history is medieval and in next year in 8th class the course is modern history. Now, what is the land boundary of our country? 15,200 kilometers. What is the coastal line of our country? Is 7,516.60 kilometers approximately. What is the distance between north to south in kilometers? It is 3214 kilometers. What is the distance between east to west? 2933 kilometers. It means India is a very long land boundaries with our neighboring countries. It is also a very big coastal lines. It is very long shape 3214 kilometer north to south and east to west is 2933 kilometer. Now, India is a peninsular country. It is the biggest peninsular country of the world. What is the meaning of peninsula? A land covers three sides. Ocean is called peninsula. The three oceans of our country are following: Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and Indian Ocean. In the northern side of our country, Himalayan mountain range is situated. Now boys, this is North India to South India direction. This kilometer is 3214 kilometer and this is the western boundary of our country and this is the eastern boundary of our country. This is 2933 kilometer. Now listen, this is bluish color. This is the coastal line of our country. This is totally 7,516.600 kilometers and this is the land boundary of our country. It is 15,200 kilometers approximately. This is the coastal boundary of our country. Now, this is three sides of ocean. In the western side of our country is Arabian Sea. Eastern side of our country is Bay of Bengal and southern side of our country is called the Indian Ocean. So why India is called peninsula? It is covers three sides with water surface and one side is land surface. Okay, now now listen. What is our India's older name? It is also known as Sapta Sindhu Pradesh. In Hindi, Sapta means seven. It is covered with seven rivers flowing in that part. It is called Sapta Sindhu Pradesh. Now these rivers are following: the Indus River, the Jhelum River, the Chenab River, the Ravi River, the Beas River, the Satluj, and the mythological Saraswati River. These seven rivers flows that area, so it is called Sapta Sindhu Pradesh. Now, what is Jed Avesta? Jed Avesta is the Persian holy book of the Persian people. Now it is called Iran. What what is Persian people called Sindhu River? They call Sindhu River is a Hindu river. So our name by mistake and by the Persian people, Sindhu convert into Hindu. So they call Sindhustan to Hindustan. What is Hindustan? Persian peoples call Sindhustan to Hindustan by mistake. The other name of our country is Aryavrat. Aryavrat, this is the northern part of our country, is called Aryavrat. It is called North India to between Narmada River. This portion is called Aryavrat. First time Aryan people settled there, they settled and 16 Mahajanpadas there, so it is called Aryavrat. What is the other name of our country? Is a Bharatvarsha. It is a very common name of our country. The European people called our country is a India. India, in terms of the Indus River.